Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss out on Instagram's latest account suggestions while using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to enable notifications for account suggestions on the Instagram app for desktop. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer or head to instagram.com in your preferred web browser. Log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main screen, look to the left side menu. Here, you'll see several icons. Find and click on your profile icon. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can access more settings and options. Next, look for the notifications option in your profile menu. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page where you can manage all your Instagram notification preferences. This is where you control what alerts you receive while browsing Instagram on your PC. Inside the notifications section, find the push notifications option and click on it. This area lets you fine-tune exactly which notifications you want to see, making it easy to stay updated on what matters most to you. Now, scroll through the list until you find the account suggestions section. Here, you'll see a toggle or drop-down menu. To make sure you get notified about new account recommendations, set this option to From On. This tells Instagram to send you push notifications every time there's a new account suggestion that matches your interests. And that's it. You've now enabled notifications for account suggestions on Instagram using your PC. With these settings in place, you'll always be one of the first to discover fresh profiles and potential connections right from your desktop. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who want to get the most out of their Instagram experience. Stay tuned for more tips and enjoy exploring new connections on Instagram.